Alright, let's say hello to Mum.
That is really cool!
Yeah, there's even a picture of... Yeah. They've got a camera.
Yes!
It's pretty neat, eh?
Come on, hang on, I'll tidy up this stuff.
Alright, let's say hello to Uncle Greg. G'day! Good, how are you?
Hello.
Hey doggy.
Oh, wait, how you doing?
Good mate, you alright?
Are you good? Wait.
We're I'm moving.
You're like telling me that you're heading away again, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all
And
right.
Hey, I'm gonna interrupt with your exercise cycle.
Yeah, it's for Foxy when she learns how to ride it.
How about you?
There you are.
I don't think he's in the mood to ride
It
this.
hasn't moved since you last been here.
Camera.
Yeah, I use it for taking photos. I'm here at the shack here in Raglan, and we're going to be grabbing a little bit of food to eat, so let's check it out.
Is this what you want? A little bit of fakeness?
Kia ora from Raglan, specifically the surfing beach. I don't know what it's called. But here we are. Yep. Okay, tell us what you see, Catherine.
Let's see.
What else?
The grass.
You're so literal. Why don't you be like Jasmine and use like fancy words?
If you want that, why don't you marry Jasmine?
Well, that's a fair point. So this is Raglan. Here's Mrs. Kenny. You are?
Do they have Raglan?
That's very pretty here. Alright. Farewell.
Where's the orchids?
It's autumn for you. Kia ora. I'm here in Raglan, which is a beautiful West Coast beach. Over there is the Raglan Bridge where people do bombs off. But ooh, someone just did a bomb. Maybe we'll see another one. But I'm gonna go rinse my feet. How do you feel about Catherine scooching on out of here?
I felt very sad for myself, but I'm really happy for her and for you, by the way.
You must be excited, Catherine.